Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to bring you a review. Special on a product that promises to revolutionize our hearing health. Oh, Cortexi. Have you heard? If not, do not worry, because I tested the product and now I will share with you my experience. Before you start, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the news. Let's do it. But first, don't forget that the official product link is in the description of the video and also fixed in the comments. Cortexi is a hearing support supplement that promises to improve our ability hearing. It is a real revolution for hearing health. With natural ingredients. Powerful, the product promises not only support for healthy hearing, but also the strengthening of memory and increased mental acuity. It looks promising, doesn't it? Benefits of the Cortexi. Support for healthy hearing. Cortexi brings a formula developed to help keep our hearing in good condition, which is fundamental to our quality of life. Strengthening of the memory. In addition to taking care of our ears, the product also aims to strengthen our memory, which is excellent for everyday life and our general well-being. Increased mental acuity. Still on the cognitive aspect, Cortexi improve our mental agility, something that can make all the difference in various situations. Personal experience. Now, I want to share with you my personal experience with Cortexi. I have been using this supplement for a considerable period, and the results have been amazing. I felt an improvement in my hearing ability, especially in more noisy, which is a great relief for those who like to attend social events or watch movies and series with family. In addition, I realized that my memory is also sharper, reminding me of details that before would go unnoticed. And, of course, increased mental acuity has been very useful in my work and in my everyday life. Satisfaction guarantee. Another important point to note is that Cortexi offers a 60-day warranty of satisfaction. This means that if for any reason you are not satisfied with the product, you can request a full refund of the amount paid. This assurance demonstrates the brand's confidence in the effectiveness of Cortexi. Cortexi proved to be an amazing supplement to improve our hearing, strengthen our memory and increase our mental acuity. The benefits are evident, and the satisfaction guarantee gives us the necessary security to try the product. If you are also looking for a solution for hearing and cognitive health, I recommend you give Cortexi a chance. I'm sure you won't regret it. The official link of the product is in the description and also fixed in the first comment. Did you like the video? If yes, leave the like, share with friends and do not forget to comment your experiences too. If you are not registered yet, take the opportunity to sign up and be part of our community. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then.